The reason why I don't like luck is because I have to surrender control of my own actions, and I believe I have some responsibility here. Good morning, champ. Welcome to Chief here, the professional problem solver, coming to you live for another episode of Wake and Make. Today, we're going to talk about luck. Maybe you don't feel especially fortunate at the moment, even though you have a lot of reasons to be happy and grateful and satisfied. I wanted to take this opportunity and talk about your bad luck. Sometimes one particular thing doesn't work the way we planned it to work, and that spoils the whole day. But look, it's not over yet. Good outcome, it's still possible. Ultimately, it would start coming along and it would start working in your own favor when you replace luck with gratitude. The reason why I don't like luck is because I have to surrender control of my own actions, and I believe I have some responsibility here. If I leave everything up to luck, whether it's good luck or bad luck, that means I don't have to do anything. The first usage of the word is when we use the word luck in retrospective manner. What is retrospective luck? Most of us will go back in time and would find some parts of their past as particularly lucky or unlucky. That's what retrospective luck means. Sometimes we feel retrospective luck when we remember things in the past, like just simple accidents that lead to something unfortunate. Unforeseeable loss or gain of opportunities, we give credit to luck. The second way of the way we use the word luck is when we address it as something superstitious. You know what I mean? Like when you're blowing the candles of a birthday party and you just wish something. Or if a black cat crosses your way, you know what I mean? That's what superstitious luck means. And by the way, the definition of the word luck is success or failure apparently brought by chance rather than through one's own actions. And that's why I have a problem with this word. The fourth way we use the word luck is when we use it for future opportunities. There's an idea that lucky people's expectations about the future help them fulfill their dreams and ambitions. It's also believed that lucky people make successful decisions by using their intuition and gut feelings. Why do we have to use this word luck? Can we use the word intuition, faith, hope, blessing instead of luck? And the fifth and most disgusting way is when we give credit to luck instead of skill, effort, consistency, and hard work. So please, don't wish me good luck anymore. Luck. I hope you get lucky. No thanks. Make it a great day.